Hello and welcome to San Diego Market Watch, where we bring you timely, accurate information about the real estate market in San Diego County. Today is January 19, 2023, and we are taking a look at what has happened in the San Diego real estate market since last week. And you may ask, Eric, what the heck could happen in 1 week in the San Diego real estate market? Well, I'll tell you, a lot can happen. And what is happening this month, January 2023, is not what folks expected and not what a lot of experts were predicting. And that just goes to show you what all us experts really know. And that's why I shy away from making bold predictions. I just give you the numbers as they're coming in and report what's happening. And, that does tend to indicate what will happen for at least the next few weeks. But certainly I'm not going to make any bold stroke predictions about real estate in 2023, except to say it's not what you expected. So, number of homes for sale is down again this week. And that's one of the things that people did not expect. A lot of folks were expecting inventory to spike in January. They were expecting new listings to go crazy, and new listings have jumped up quite a bit since their lowest point at the end of December, down from about 135 the week of Christmas up to, 470 or so last week, and now down again, or down some this week, to just over 400 new listings. And one of the interesting things that's happened here is that pending sales are crossing over new listings. And if you're reading a stock market chart, that's a significant event when these two lines like this cross each other. I don't know that it is anything more than an interesting graphical representation here when we're talking about the real estate market. But what is interesting is that new listings are down and pending sales are up. And so that is going to be holding prices firm for now. And, I'm not ready to say that prices might start inching up again, but if this sort of thing persists, new listings down, pending sales up, they might. So, if you're looking to buy something right now and waiting for the bottom to fall out, I don't see it happening right now. I don't see it happening this month, absolutely, and probably not in the first quarter. And most of the experts are talking about interest rates, settling down this year as we head into the second and third quarter. So I don't know that we're going to see much of a reduction in median price, if any. So with that said, I suppose that was a bold prediction. I said I don't make those, but we'll see. So anyway, closed sales down from last week. However, this is a lagging indicator and is, we had several weeks of declining pending sales here. So declining closed sales out here does not surprise me one bit. So why is all this happening? Why are buyers out in force writing offers? Why are sellers getting multiple offers again? Why are sellers that couldn't get their price in November and December getting their price in January? Well, it's because interest rates are down again this week, down to 6.15 on average. The buyer population has gotten used to sort of the new rate situation. Buyers that are out buying now they weren't necessarily out looking last year. They're hearing that rates used to be a lot lower. Some of them know this, of course, but it's not a reality for them. The low rates, 2s and 3s and 4s, is not a reality for them, so they're dealing with the new reality. And a lot of deals we're seeing, concessions from sellers on rate buy downs and things like that to help qualify buyers into homes. However, rates are down again, and there may be some volatility here, but rates are expected to settle down even more. And we'll see how that plays out over the next few weeks and months. But we're looking a heck of a lot better now than we were back in November when rates were topping 7%. So with that, we are also looking at the same median price curve that we were talking about last week. This hasn't changed. This is a month over month number, and so we'll see where we wind up next month. It's probably going to be a little more down, but I do believe we're going to see this continue to sort of flatten out and form a little bit of a scoop here. Whether it planes out and stays level or goes up a little bit remains to be seen. However, this downward trajectory, at least from October or from November to December, the downward trajectory was somewhat arrested and started to flatten. And then I expect to see a little more flattening next month, and we'll see what happens the month after that. But that is what's happening in San Diego real estate this week. If you enjoy this program, if you enjoy our other updates, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, because that really keeps us going, keeps us motivated to keep bringing you this content. And we do respond to all of our comments. We had one just this morning that was asking about a zip code that we haven't talked about before, and next week we're going to do a report. So this is intimate enough that we can do a little back and forth and tailor our broadcasts to what you want to see about San Diego real estate. So thank you for that. And we will be talking to you tomorrow for our Friday wrap-up show with a slightly new format. We're always trying to keep things fresh. So tune in tomorrow evening to see what we're up to there, or watch it later. That's okay too. And we'll be back again next week with more neighborhood real estate updates and more San Diego Market Watch. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.